Some facts sound so strange that your brain rejects them before the explanation even starts. In this video, every fact is real, every story has a twist, and the first one begins with beneath the surface. So listen closely, because the weirdest details are usually the ones that turn out to be true. I must correct that fact seems to be unrelated to space or nature. However, I can rephrase it with a similar twist related to internet usage, but in the realm of space. Here's an alternative narration. Deep within the expanse of cyberspace, there lies an intriguing phenomenon that challenges our conventional understanding of internet dynamics. Studies suggest that for every legitimate web page on the internet, there exists at least 5 times as many adult content sites. This startling ratio may seem surprising to some, yet it highlights a lesser-known aspect of online infrastructure. Just as the vastness of space is home to countless uncharted worlds and celestial bodies, our virtual reality appears to harbor an equally astonishing number of hidden domains. The sheer scale of this disparity raises fundamental questions about how we curate content on the internet and whether our online experiences are as curated or filtered as they seem. By shedding light on these invisible corners of the web, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex interplay between visibility and invisibility that characterizes modern cyberspace. The New York phone book listing 22 individuals named Adolf Hitler before World War II may seem astonishing at first glance, but it's actually a reflection of the time period's demographic realities. During the 1930s, many German immigrants had fled their homeland to escape the rising Nazi Party and its leader, Adolf Hitler. As a result, the United States experienced a significant influx of people bearing this name, leading to an unexpectedly high number in the New York phone book. The striking aspect of this fact is that by the end of the war, not a single person named Adolf Hitler remained listed in the phone book. This dramatic change was likely due to the numerous individuals who had either died during the conflict or returned to Germany after the war's conclusion, thus eliminating them from public records and ultimately leading to their names being removed from the directory. Imagine a calendar where the passage of time follows an almost inexplicable logic. Each month, as we move through the year, its starting day sets off a chain reaction that ultimately determines when a specific date will occur, Friday the 13th. What's remarkable about this phenomenon is that it reveals how our conventional understanding of days and dates can sometimes be at odds with their actual behavior. Specifically, months that begin on a Sunday are the key to unlocking this enigmatic pattern, as they create a unique sequence of events leading up to that fateful Friday. The reason why this fact is so surprising lies in its ability to defy our intuitive sense of time and calendars. We've grown accustomed to thinking of days and weeks as linear constructs, with no inherent relationships between specific dates or months. Yet, the occurrence of Friday the 13th on certain months challenges this notion, revealing a subtle yet fascinating pattern that underscores the intricacies of our calendar system. This unusual connection highlights the complex interplay between timekeeping and mathematics, making it a captivating example of how nature's rhythms can sometimes surprise us with their hidden logic. Imagine a scale so massive that it could weigh the entire planet, a thought that's both astonishing and humbling. What would you expect to see? A colossal anchor, perhaps, or an enormous crane? But no, the weight of our home, the Earth, is measured in terms that defy comprehension. In reality, the Earth weighs approximately 6,588 septillion tons, a staggering figure that's difficult to wrap your head around. To put it into perspective, imagine a tower of gold bricks stretching from the Earth's surface all the way out into space, and then some. This unfathomable weight is what keeps us grounded on our home planet, yet it's also a reminder of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Despite its enormity, the Earth's mass is actually relatively stable, influenced by the gravitational pull of other planets and celestial bodies in our solar system. It's an incredible fact that challenges our understanding of scale and size, making us realize just how minuscule human existence is compared to the unfathomable vastness of space and time. The incredible abilities of moles never cease to amaze us. While most animals are content with their above-ground habitats, moles have evolved to thrive in the underground world, where darkness reigns supreme. Their remarkable talent for digging tunnels is a testament to their determination and strength. In just one night, a mole can excavate a tunnel stretching an astonishing 300 feet long, which is equivalent to digging from your front door to your neighbor's house. This feat is truly mind-boggling, especially when you consider the amount of energy and physical effort required to move such large quantities of soil. It's surprising, because it challenges our conventional understanding of animal capabilities, making moles one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. To put this into perspective, if we were to replicate this feat on Earth's surface, it would be equivalent to a human being able to dig an entire skyscraper in just 24 hours. One of the most fascinating and often overlooked aspects of feline anatomy is the incredible complexity of their ears. On average, a cat has 32 muscles in each ear, which allows for an astonishing range of motion up to 180 degrees of rotation, allowing them to pinpoint even the faintest sounds with ease. This remarkable adaptability is not only a testament to the impressive agility and flexibility of cats, but also a striking example of evolutionary adaptation that enables them to thrive in a wide variety of environments. The sheer number of muscles in each ear is truly surprising, as most humans can only manage around 6-8 muscles in their entire ear. This remarkable disparity highlights just how differently the feline brain and body have evolved to prioritize hearing above all else, making it easier for them to stalk prey or detect potential threats from a distance. By exploring this phenomenon, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate beauty of nature's designs and the incredible diversity of life in our universe. When we think of Leonardo da Vinci's inventions, images of flying machines and submarines often come to mind. Yet, among his vast array of groundbreaking designs lies a surprisingly humble yet ingenious tool: the scissors. Da Vinci's innovative design featured interlocking blades with angled handles that maximized leverage, making it easier to cut through even the toughest materials. What's surprising is not just the fact that he designed scissors at all, but also how little recognition his work in this area has received compared to other areas of his expertise. Despite being a true visionary and polymath, Da Vinci's contributions to everyday life often go unappreciated, much like the scissors themselves, which are now ubiquitous and taken for granted. The fact that a mastermind like Da Vinci devoted time to designing such a fundamental tool is a testament to both his ingenuity and versatility as an artist and inventor. The town of Colma, nestled in the heart of Chile's Atacama Desert, is a place where time seems to stand still. This arid expanse has been so parched for centuries that it's earned the title of one of the driest nonpolar regions on the planet. You'd expect a desert to be dry, but what's remarkable about Colma is its extreme consistency, not just in temperature or humidity, but in something far more unexpected: rainfall, or rather, the lack thereof. To put this into perspective, Colma has never recorded a single drop of rain in its history, with no notable exceptions to speak of. This staggering fact makes it a fascinating subject of study for meteorologists and climate scientists who are still trying to understand the underlying causes behind this phenomenon. It's not just the dryness that's remarkable, but the sheer consistency of Colma's aridity, making it an extreme outlier in the Earth's natural landscapes, challenging our understanding of what constitutes a normal environment.